Hello, I'm Ron Kaufman. I'll be traveling soon to Sydney, Australia. I love visiting Australia because every time I go, there is so much to enjoy and to learn. Now that's going to be especially true on this trip because I'm heading down under for the Salesforce World Tour 2019. This day is packed with insights and innovations about tech and learning and career transformation to make service and our society better and better and better. Now you can find the details online, but let me tell you just about some of the insights. There's one session called Service When and Where You Need It. There's going to be an inside look at how Monash University is serving students and faculty and the community through a whole range of digital channels to connect digital and the physical world. Another session is called Gearing Up Your Customer Service. What do you do when your customer base grows a lot faster than expected? And that may sound like a nice problem to have, but you got to solve it fast if you want to serve and keep those customers. Well, the Service Cloud platform can help with tools to support your team, and you can learn all about that at World Tour. There's another session called Customer Success in the New Age of Service, which digs down into the details: automation, integration, digital channels, mobile workforces. And in this presentation, you can see how the Container Store not only has the coolest stuff, but also runs some of the coolest B2B and B2C platforms to provide the award-winning service for which they are so well known. Now, I'm going to be on a panel discussion called Top Secrets to Driving a High-Growth Organization. But what makes this especially cool is the other people who are on the panel, including Tiffany Bova, who wrote the book on Growth IQ, Naomi Simpson, the founder of Red Balloon, and Kian McLaughlin, the CEO of Trinity Perspectives. Now, if you just can't wait and you want more right now, then use the links in this post to get the second annual State of Service report, 57 pages, with insights from 2,600 service trailblazers all over the world. Or you can get insight on what's exactly happening in Australia and New Zealand in the latest State of the Connected Customer report. Now, whether you come to the World Tour in Sydney or you follow me there online, I look forward to bringing you more about the breakthroughs and best practices that are making our world of service better every day. I'm Ron Kaufman, and I look forward to seeing you there.